Yo, 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 what's up? Today is the day. Monkey Forest finally is open after 7 months of closure. Could you imagine that? It's open and it's first day. Obviously, if this iconic place like a Monkey Forest in Ubus is open, I have to be at the first day, cause yeah, I have to. Just no doubts about that. I just parked the bike, and by bike was only 5 bikes over there, so I'm pretty sure there will be not many people inside, and I see many pechalang like guards, but not many customers, not many guests. We will see how's the situation in Monkey Forest, how's the monkey, they are happy, not happy, how they will welcome me. We will see. As you can see, the lobby is new one. If you've never been in the past 2 years in Bali, this is brand new lobby in Monkey Forest. And it's quiet. Okay, have to buy ticket and we will see how is there inside. As you can see, it's brand new lobby. I mean, the lobby is about 2 years old. If you've been in Bali last time in 2017 or 16, was different lobby. Now it's the beautiful brick lobby, very nice. This is the small wee bridge and the gate to Monkey Forest. Tickets cost now 60,000 rupiah. No discount for Kita's price. I mean, no Kita's price, no discounts for Kita's holders. This is the gate of opening. Obviously, was this morning. What should I say anymore? Yeah, the ticket last time was 80,000, now it's 60,000. It's cheaper, parking is open, free. However, as you can see, almost nobody here. I mean, we will see entrance to the Monkey Forest. Now the ticket is different because it's in the barcode, but still is security. And we will see how is the monkeys. Swastiastu.
I'm coming.
Alive. Alive.
Live, oh ya. Apa orang? Alive. Oh, dia bilang alive. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you. Apa sini kan?
So this is the main entrance to the Monkey Forest right now. I found some I passed some very happy ladies from Bali, I think. There was Balinese, pretty sure. However, it doesn't really matter. Anyway, as you ever been here in the past time, was loads of millions of people over here. However, now I'm only the one, which is quite impressive and cool. Looking for monkeys, happy monkeys. I don't know why, I have a feeling like it's not so many monkeys. These monkeys, what you saw, they are very chilled. They are just enjoying the lunch. Tasty cassava, potato. However, it's like not so busy. We'll see. It is very strange and very nice feeling at the same time, because I'm here where is the fountain and like a swimming pool for the monkeys over here, and this big tree, and here is the entrance to the famous bridge. Oops, here, oh, here, and it's completely nobody here. Could you imagine that? The only thing is, as I feel a little bit strange, because there's not many monkeys here actually. I don't know, maybe they already after 7 months they forgot how it is with the humans around or something, and seems like if these monkeys like over there, they are very chilled. However, it's yeah, lifetime experience exploring monkey forests. Nobody is here. Imagine if you are here and you are the Instagram star, or you wanna be, I don't know, have a picture with nobody around you. Now is the time. However, I know it's not possible for everyone, for many of you guys. However, I will show you how is it, and yeah. Anyway, one thing, I know there are health protocols and you have to wear mask like this and everything. However, it's hot and it's like humid, so high. It's difficult to breathe even without mask, and could imagine with mask. So I hope so that's gonna change in the near future, but that's only my thoughts. I know as many of people can even run jogging with mask on, and it's fine. However, good luck with that in Bali or any tropical country, I think. Let's go to the bridge next to this. Yeah, over there is the very nice bridge and river. Oh my god, it's so hot. I'm walking down through the stairs and I was just thinking, do you think, guys, the monkeys can be infected, or they are free of this mess? This is the famous bridge over here. However, some domestic tourists here, well, they're making picture for ages, 1 by 1 times 6. It's gonna take 12 minutes, or maybe 15, or maybe 20. I decide to go more. Anyway, yeah, not much after that. Beautiful jungle vibe, jungle here. It's actually a real jungle, it's not like a fake one. Very nice and very hot. It's difficult to breathe, guys, seriously. But however, if you ever been in monkey forest in Ubud, you know how is the feeling over here. And when you leave that, yeah, totally wet. However, good to be here, really good after 7 months. Well, actually I was last time, I think 1 year ago. So yeah, and no people after that. After this few people what I showed you before, nobody's here. It's unbelievable how hot is it here. And humidity is so high also, but beautiful jungle. Unfortunately, I don't know why not so many monkeys, really, seriously, like not so many monkeys. As I'm showing you, everything is like around. However, monkeys, I have no clue where they are. I hope so they have a like picnic somewhere or something, because anyway, I just saw my family for 7 months, like Mr. Monkey, Mrs. Monkeys, we are monkeys. So monkeys are our family, right? Well, I doesn't saw my real family for nearly over 3 years actually. But yeah, monkeys is my second family. However, as you've seen, really not so many people. Beautiful jungle. Here is the museum, small. It's closed, probably no interest. Anyway, yeah, going to see some monkeys. As you see, I'm walking just next to monkeys and they are very calm, very chilled monkeys nowadays, really, and they're not fighting with together and they don't attack me at all, like literally different than usual. Look, I can stand wherever I want next to monkey, look, no problem at all. They have a monkey clinic over here in case if somehow something happened to you, like monkey gonna scratch you, bite you, whatever happened. They have a doctor and will help you with that, and also they take care of monkeys. They getting injection of the, well, some kind of illness for the wild animals. So you are free of fear. You don't need to be scared when you're coming here. Just bring some water and comfy shoe. Yeah, oh, big boss monkey's coming. Yo, what's up, mate? As you see, this is another main place. This is the temple. Nobody is here, literally nobody, and not many monkeys as well. This is actually strange. I'm thinking what's going on with the monkeys. I have no clue. But it's so quiet here, and seems like nobody walked here for many months. Cause look at the bricks. They are like jungle-ish. Oh my god, very weird, not weird, strange feeling to be here today, but very nice at the same time. I never expect, as in my life I will see monkey forest, as nobody will be surrounds me. Yeah. So sad as Winnie is not with me, but she's busy. Just heading to the exit, and I just noticed as I lost my bike, house key, so that's pretty sucks. I'm pretty sure as I left this at the counter when I was buying tickets, so I hope so it's still there and they took care of that, as nobody took it, stole it, because otherwise I will be in big trouble. So I'm heading back to the I'm heading back. I hope so the keys. That's make me stress a little bit. Yo, what's up, buddy? Let's see. Yo, what's up? Are you happy? Sad? Chilled? Seems like he's chilled. Alright, that's the finish of the Monkey Forest tour. I feel so happy because I found my keys, and the keys was exactly where I left on the counter, because they have a shield, like anti-mess shield, and they even doesn't show that as I left the key, and nobody took it. So yeah, this is Bali, as you don't need to be as much worried about your belongings when you lose it, at least if you remember where. It's so hot. The final thoughts are it's beautiful, lovely to be here like always, The only little bit disappointing is there's not so many monkeys. Not sure why. Maybe they are just retired. Retired monkeys, maybe because 7 months no people and they already forgot how is it. Have no clue. Maybe I will come back in next 2-3 months again after Christmas or before Christmas, or we'll see. However, so hot, I think I deserve the cold drink, maybe cold cappuccino. I will show you one very nice cafe shop in Ubud, not so far away from Monkey Forest. It's still open obviously, so see you there. Arrived to this lovely place, lovely cafe. I will show you a few snaps. I just noticed there's a lot of monkeys on the streets, actually wandering around Jalan Monkey Forest, and especially jumping on the shops, buildings, cables around. So I think they was just simply a little bit hungry in the park during these months, or bored, and they was looking for people and food outside. That's my final thought about this. I will show you the place and coffee. So that's how it looks in Ubud today. Jalan Monkey Forest and monkeys, Monkey Forest, monkeys are happy. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. Like always, something new every single day. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, especially comment, like and subscribe. That's very important to grow our channel and more videos in the future. New video every single day at 7 PM. Don't forget to share, comment, subscribe, and see you tomorrow, guys. Take care. Alright. Bro, oh. Okay, chill.